In today's video, we have a beginner-friendly, full-body workout for seniors. It's for everyone, but this particular one is going to be if you are over 50 and need to get back into a low-impact workout. This video is for you. Come and join me on the Rebounder. All right, good posture. Stand up straight, engage that core. Let's begin with the health bounce. Pushing down on the mat. Now, if you're just getting started and you have a stability bar or a handle and you need extra support, use it. All right, just push down. Just getting used to that mat. Start with grounded moves. Oh, by the way, my name is Cheryl. If we haven't met, I'm a JumpSport instructor. Been doing this for a couple of years now. I learned from the best, Michelle Breeler. You got to know her. Learn from the best. There are some other great instructors also. All right, let's go. Now, let's just do a heel lift. Both at the same time. Remember, we are engaging that core. And don't forget to breathe. Just slight heel lift. And now left and right. Back to both. All right, heel digs. You're going to move one leg at a time. Dig forward. Just pushing down again on the mat, not bouncing. Give me that smile, having fun. Boost the cardiovascular health, lymphatic system. If you want to swing your arms, you can. If you're not using your bar or with one hand, you can swing. You can circle. Those are your heel digs. Now we go to a toe tap. Tap the toe in front. Give it a little push. Tap and push. All right, we are working our whole body, all 638 muscles in our body. All right, now just begin by walking. Your feet are flat. Push down. You want to swing your arms? Feel free to swing your arms. Very easy workout today. The first round, we may go to a second round. I'm not sure. Depends. Now, we want to step up and back. 1, 2, back 2. Now you go at your pace. I'm leading with the right leg. Do that for about 20 seconds and switch, other leg. So if you did all of these steps for 20 seconds up to a minute, you would have a great workout. Did you know that rebounding is called the fountain of youth? Yes, keeps you young. I'm 64, about to be 65 this year. I feel Amazing. All right, hip rock. And swing your arms. You're still pushing down on the mat. You can even do single, single, double. I have a video that's all about the single, single, double, all the steps. You can check that out. I do have 2 playlists, videos under 10 minutes, and also Tabata. Now that's a little more advanced. All right, hip rock, go to a step kick. All right, step kick. Keeping it low. Now for you ladies who used to be in gymnastics or cheerleading, go ahead and kick higher if you want. Good. All right. Next one, we're going to step out. Out, out, in. Out, out, in. I'm leading with my right. Probably looks left to you. All right, now I'm going to add a little bounce, but I'm not going off the mat. I'm just pushing down. In, out, out. Or out, out, in. Whichever way you want to say it. Now I'm going to change. I'm going to lead with the left. Out, out, in. So rebounding helps with balance and coordination. Oh, did you know it helps your brain? Because you got to think. Helps with memory. You have children, grandchildren, get them on that rebounder. It'll help them in school do better. But for me, I don't know about you if you've been doing this a while, helps with digestion and elimination, especially as you get older, okay? Come on, senior ladies. Good. All right, now knees up. Believe it or not, it's helped with my varicose veins. Really. I can show you a step that helps with it, or you can go to my video. It's called the Jamba Walk. That was by Dave Hall with Cellicizer. I learned that there. You can do knees up to the front, or you can do to the corner, opening up those hips. Woo, you feel it? I feel it. Now back to walk. And if you're having a stressful day, jump on that trampoline. You need some happy endorphins. This helps with stress, fatigue, releases those endorphins. The happy feeling. All right, slow it down. Oh, maybe not. Okay, now we're going to start round 2. If you want to add a bounce, we're going to go to a basic bounce. This is a little bit more advanced, not quite beginner friendly. It's more advanced. Cross jacks. I'm just showing you a little bit more advanced steps if you're ready or when you're ready. You're squeezing the inner thighs. All right, so you can go left front, right front, switching. All right, now you can do a little dance too. A rock. Switch, little rock. Or put your hips into it. All right, whatever. Do some freestyle, just have fun. Now, if you're ready to do my favorite step, let's go. The twist. If you don't want to bounce and twist, just do this. Here we go. Sometimes I get on my trampoline and I don't want to stop because it's so much fun. All right. And whenever you're ready, you can add your weights, your dumbbells. Yeah. Work on some toning and some strengthening and some sculpting. Let's go. Hip rock. All right. Little bonus. Kick forward and back. Okay, that's not beginner friendly. I just like it. Just because I learned it not too long ago. All right, jumpy jacks. At least, if you are new, just do the first 10 minutes of the video. At least that much, okay? Yay, slow it down. Okay, slow it down. Let's do some corner heels. And open up. Corner heels and stretch a little. And front heels. And let's just stretch a little bit. Go back to the health bounce. Arms up. Breathe in and blow that air out. Yes. Now, a little bit shoulder width apart, and let's go up. And let's go down and grab the trampoline squat. Push the hips back, grab the trampoline. Squat and come up. Woo, good stretch. Yes. Give yourself a hug. All right, pat on the back. Thank you so much for joining me. And we will see you next time. Bye.